We have the Philips Saeco Coffee Machine Fully Automatic Espresso Machine Maintenance Guide. When the calc clean light starts to flash slowly, you need to descale the machine. Only use Philips CA6700 solution to descale the machine. The descaling procedure lasts circa 30 minutes and consists of a descaling cycle and a rinsing cycle. If attached, remove milk frother. Remove the drip tray and the coffee grounds container. Empty and rinse the drip tray and coffee grounds container. Place them back into the machine. Remove the water tank. Empty the water tank. And remove the AquaClean filter. Pour the complete bottle of Philips descaling solution into the water tank. Fill the water tank with fresh water up to the calc clean indication. Place the water tank back into the machine. Place a large container under the coffee spout and hot water spout. Press the calc clean icon for 3 seconds. Press the play button to start the first phase of the descaling procedure. During the descaling cycle, the calc clean light flashes to show that the descaling phase is in progress. Let the machine dispense the descaling solution until the water tank is empty. Descale cycle will take about 20 minutes. The water tank is empty when the water tank empty light goes on. Empty the container. Remove the water tank and rinse it. Fill the water tank with fresh water up to the calc clean indication. Place the water tank back into the machine. Place back the container under the coffee spout and hot water spout. Press the play button to start the rinsing cycle. The rinsing cycle will take 3 minutes. During this phase, the lights on the control panel go on and off to show that the rinsing cycle is in progress. The descaling procedure is finished when the machine stops dispensing water. The machine will heat up automatically. When the lights and the drink icons light up continuously, the machine is ready for use again. When descaling procedure is finished, the AquaClean light flashes for a while to remind you to install a new AquaClean filter. We hope this video helped. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you need any accessories for your coffee machine, links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.